Hey everybody, I'm at the Hilti Media event. I'm here with my friend Ed. You may recognize Ed from a couple of years ago, World of Concrete. We've done a lot of videos together, you and I. Ed, tell us a little bit about the new Hilti vacuum.
Yeah, so this is our VC4X22 dust extractor. It's obviously on our Nuron platform. And what's really different about this vacuum is a couple of things. First, you'll notice that we're leaning on a push bar here.
Yeah.
So we've integrated a push bar so that we can easily navigate the job site. And you also notice some big casters here, some big wheels that we have on the tool.
Yep.
So we can really roll it over any kind of difficult terrain that we have on the job site.
Rubberized too.
Exactly.
Yeah. And does this, I assume this is yeah, okay.
Right, so you can push it down so when you load it in your van or your truck, you can make it a bit more compact.
Awesome.
The big change though is the head really didn't change from our VC14222 vacuum cleaner. We just gave it a new name, the VC4X22. What the difference is now is instead of a 2-gallon bucket, and you can obviously still take a 2-gallon bucket, you can double your capacity with a 4-gallon bucket or a 15-liter tank. So we've doubled our capacity. And what we've done is we're able to improve the filter efficiency because now we've got more capacity. That filter is able to act more efficiently.
More airflow?
Exactly. Okay. So I actually have less filter exchanges, less cleaning of the filter. And by the way, double capacity is not bad either whenever I'm trying to be productive on the job site.
To show the filter, we just clip these clips up like that and just lift up. And so you have a plastic bag in there now?
I have a plastic bag in there now. Here's our filter.
And did I hear this thing pulsating?
It does, so it's self-cleaning. So it's got a reverse airflow on it, and that actually knocks the silica dust off of the filter.
Right, so that means it's Table 1 compliant, I'm guessing.
Absolutely.
So Table 1 compliant, a bigger tank.
Did I mention 140 CFM? One of the most powerful cordless vacuums on the market today.
Really?
140 CFM.
What is that in water lift? I know they do.
They test
things with lifting water and stuff. It's
we haven't done a water lift on this, but per OSHA, I can use up to a 5-inch cup or a blade. So my 5-inch grind. Exactly. So I'm Table 1 compliant here when I'm.
And I could use this on the miter saw, or table saw, or the track saw, right?
We have fleece bags available for this tool.
And that would be better for that, right?
Better for wood.
So I'm seeing a couple things. I'm seeing eco mode, auto. It looks like a cleaning mode and Bluetooth. Can you talk a little bit about that stuff?
Yeah, sure. So when we turn it on, to conserve battery if I'm not in an OSHA environment, right? If I'm just doing some general cleanup, I can actually put it in eco mode and that conserves my battery. I can turn off the auto feature, right? So if I'm doing some woodwork, I don't need to clean the filter. Yeah. Any kind of various applications where I'm not too worried about that.
So that would be turning off the auto clean.
Correct. And then I can manually filter clean.
Just to give an extra boost.
Yep.
And then this Bluetooth here, does that work with the dongle?
It sure does.
So this does not come with the tool. This is an accessory.
Right, it's an accessory.
And you would mount this on your hose. So this would be great for me, for the track saw.
On the hose, on the tool.
Saw. Right. Actually, you had one mounted on the top of the miter saw. It was genius.
We did.
It was really cool.
Right.
So all I do is just press this?
Uh-huh.
Oh, that's great. And then stop. That's the biggest complaint with cordless tools is a lot of times you know they used to have a plug that you would plug your corded tool in, and when that turned on, the vacuum would turn on and run for 3 seconds or whatever when you're done. And now people complain you can't do that. So these dongles are great and allow you to do that.
Absolutely.
So this is an accessory. You sell this now?
We do sell that now.
In the States?
Yes, in the States, US and Canada.
Approximately how much to buy the dongle?
Off the top of my head, 40 or 50 bucks for the entire set, so it hooks in here. And
yeah. Do you have to unscrew this and attach something?
Yeah, it's a Torx 15 screw. You just unscrew two screws. You'll replace it with this Bluetooth piece, and then you've got the dongle there.
That is awesome. I assume there's a battery in here, maybe?
Yeah, but you're really not ever going to have to do anything to that.
You want to watch batteries?
Exactly.
Yeah. And okay, so I got that. Telescoping. How much does this thing weigh? It's pretty light.
Yeah, it's fairly light.
25, 30 pounds maybe? 25?
Off the top of my head, 15, 20 pounds.
Yeah, it's light. It's got a good base on it.
But I'll certainly come back to you with the tech specs.
Okay.
So you can post it.
How long's the hose?
The hose, I believe, is a 15-foot hose.
Perfect. And I was noticing this. So I really like this connection. So this is some sort of a locking.
Right. So on a lot of our tools, we actually put this mechanism that allows you to lock directly in the tool. And now I'm not worried about this pulling off as I work.
I'd like to see that on the woodworking tools, like the miter saw, and
Sure.
especially the track saw.
It's good feedback.
Well, yeah, I mean, you know, that's my wheelhouse,
Right.
the sawdust stuff. This is great. This is a home run for me. Let me see, what else did I want to ask you about this? Any kit, does it come as a kit? Do you get different size hoses? Come with a dongle? Something?
It'll come standard with, you can either buy this as a 2-gallon tank, you can buy this 4-gallon tank.
This is 4?
This is a 4-gallon.
Yep, okay.
It'll come with the hose. You can pair the batteries that you want, either the B170s or the B255s, depending on weight and runtime, what you're looking for. Because we do offer this in a backpack configuration with our 2-gallon vacuum,
Yes.
right? So
Yeah.
maybe you want a little less weight, where you get that balance of runtime and weight. So we really allow you on Hilti.com or Hilti.ca to build your own kit.
Yeah.
So
A la carte.
Yeah, I don't tell you what you have to buy.
Yep.
You build it yourself.
So Ed, here's the thing, and I think I know the answer to this. I'm going to ask it anyway for the video. As a remodeling contractor, I find myself doing many different things. I could be smoothing some concrete in the bathroom basement floor one day, cutting some concrete, definitely cutting a lot of wood dust, plaster. This vacuum can do all of it. Can I use it for cleanup? So can I buy or get an accessory where I can do floor sweeps, nozzle, brush attachment? Is there something that Hilti sells that works with this?
Yeah, we do have a crevice tool and we do have a floor tool that you can use for cleanup. It is a wet dry vac, so it's good for that
that's
cleanup
even better.
around the job.
So do I have to change the filter out if I go wet?
No, you're good.
You're good.
Yep.
That is awesome. Does it have a drain plug?
It does
tilt-
not
you
have a
just tilt
drain
it.
plug
Okay.
on it. Yep.
I always find I get clogged with junk anyway. And this is out now.
It's out. Well, the VC4X with the 15 liter or 4-gallon tank will launch summer of 2024 in the U.S. and Canada. The VC14222, which is the same suction, is available today.
Awesome. Hey, thank you so much.
Thanks for your time,
Appreciate it.
Rob.
Yeah,
Yep,
talking
good to see you again.